Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video I am going to show you how to enable HDR in Windows 11. In Windows 11 will support the HDR. This is called as High Dynamic Range feature. This will be helpful to view the HDR movie or games in your system, but your display must have the HDR capabilities. You can enable and disable this feature in HDR setting. Let's learn how you can do this. In our Windows 11 computer, you have to go to settings. Here you have to click on the display, then click on the HDR. In my laptop, I am using the two display. So one is the laptop display and the another one is the extension monitor display. But the two display is not supported for the HDR video streaming. So if you are using the high resolution HDR devices, monitor or TV, then it will be show for the supporting devices. So then you can enable and view the best HDR supported video format. So in this way you can enable the HDR in Windows 11. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.